Hey guys, Aaron here, and today I bought a brand new laptop. That's the Razer Blade 15 2020 edition. So this laptop was on sale at Chinese New Year, and I thought that okay, I'll purchase a laptop since I need a new one. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll be unboxing this laptop right in front of you all. So let's start the unboxing. I'll open the box, and the first thing I see is the big power adapter that Razer has given here. So let's open this up first, and this is their proprietary charging cable which you need to connect to the adapter, and this is the adapter. And inside I see another box, and this box is tightly bound, so this is probably where the laptop is, over here. Yeah, so this is the laptop. Now let's remove the packaging, and let me remove the cables or the adapter on the side. Yeah. So now let's open up the laptop. Razer has definitely got their packaging on point. I really like the packaging, and even the laptop looks stunning because it's CNC milled from a single block of aluminum. Now let's open up the laptop. I think first I need to remove it from the case. Just keep the case away, and let's turn it over and let's open it. So yeah, it's pretty good, I'd say. Now turning back, wow, this looks so amazing, truly good. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what's there. Oh, it can even be opened with a single hand, so that's very good. And has a cloth. Okay, let's keep it back. Let's see what else is there in the box. So it has one envelope over here. Let's see what's inside this envelope. So it has a microfiber cloth. Yeah, you would need a microfiber cloth because this laptop is a fingerprint magnet, so you would require that, and some stickers, probably. Yeah, stickers, and then the instruction manual and a letter. Okay, pretty good. Anything else is there inside? There's a message over here. Is there anything behind? No, there's nothing behind. Okay, so before opening the laptop, let's open up this, because I think you would need to charge a laptop first before powering it on. So this is the 3-pin AC cable, and this is the charger. Let's open this up. It's tightly bound, so let's open up the strap. And this cable is a bit different, so it's a braided cable, so it will not tangle a lot, I guess. And even the pin is a bit different. Yeah, so first let's connect the two, and let's power the laptop up. And this is a 230 watt AC adapter. Okay, and it has a Razer logo as well. If any of you guys know what this cable is exactly, then comment in the section below. So now taking a look at the laptop, this is the Razer Blade 15 base model. So it has one USB-C, two USB-A, and one HDMI port on the right. And on the left side, it has one power port, one Ethernet port, one USB-A, one USB-C, and one headphone jack. So you can connect your monitor to the USB-C ports from either side, and on the back it has two fans. It has a rubber padding. So it's a pretty well balanced laptop with many ports. So let's keep the laptop down and let's start the laptop. Let's power it on. So I'll remove the keypad covering and connect the cable. Let's power it on. So this is how the laptop looks like when it's powered on. It has two front-facing speakers, a large trackpad. It has an RTX 2060 and bright lit keyboard back. So this keyboard can be I think adjusted from their synapse. And this is a 144 Hz display panel. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will be making an in-depth review of this laptop, so do make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.